Hello, in today's video we are in Stormworks again, and well, I got this Steam Workshops. It is the PRR S1. Now this is an amazing build. I don't know who it's built right now. It is awesome. I love it. Really, it's like my favorite train. I've researched a lot about it. I have built my own, but it does not work well. And, well, I'll just show you my train while that heats up. Well, what I attached to it. Because the guy who built this has built a lot of others. So, you can see we have the whole train. Back here, let's start from here. This is our luggage compartment area. Which... how do you make it so that it goes? I think you have to pull this. How do you do? Is that what you do? Maybe do it from the outside. I don't know. Okay, and then we do have some passenger area here in the luggage car, and the toilet, and beds. Then we have... it's not connected right now. But once it's connected, then it will do a lot better. This train, this is just another passenger. A normal passenger. That's what it looks like. Okay, I think this one is my modified one. Where, so I took a passenger car. I guess this isn't. Huh. Okay, these ones aren't my modified. Is it this one? This one might be it. I don't know. Okay, so, oh. Was that the dining room? No, that was just a normal passenger car. This one is a normal passenger car? Okay. I forgot what I did. Okay, these are two are hooked up. We have my specialty car, which I did this. And we have an outside sun tanning area, I guess. And a talking area that is okay, and then a place for the bartender. Just have to crouch back here. This one is not on Steam Workshop because it's a modified version. And then we have, I think, the dining room's in the back, or I might have already passed the dining room. And then yeah, so and then another passenger. Oh, this is the lounge, and then you have this area, and then the rear. So, where was the dining room? Did I not do a dining room? I didn't do a dining room. Well, I guess this one you won't be dining in it because it would probably not be a long journey. But let us reverse and hook up with the PRR S1. Okay. We are off towards an adventure. So, I guess naturally we are turned this way. We'll go here. We'll go around here. We'll go like this around here, most likely. And then go down here. Take this turn. Okay, this is the switch yard, which I'm hoping to get to. So we'll slowly get there. This is hard. So, yeah. We can see we have our whole train going along. So, leave in the comments what I should do with all these trains. I have a lot of trains. I'll have to spawn them in. All of the ones that I got. Okay. Let's... Okay, I don't want to go that way. Okay, where is that trying to take me? Where am I? Face forward. Oh, it's taking me this way, but this way... Oh, I guess that is good. This thing is hard to slow down. So let's speed up again, I guess. I didn't go ahead and turn all the things to how I want them. So, yeah. You know what I like to do? I'm gonna spawn back at here and I'm gonna catch up. What? Okay, I'm gonna catch up, I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna zoom that way. I think forward is that way, so I have to put it backwards. But yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go that way. Load. What train should I do? I think, I think I'm gonna do the T1. I'll do the big boy. Let's turn this around. Or how do I rotate? Can I rotate with this thing? If I can't, then this is bad. Really bad. And you would think, well, why don't you just spawn it as, like, an extra thing? Well, I can't. Because it won't walk. I do that. Do I just drive it backwards? I guess so. Is backwards as fast? I don't know, but let's just go. Fireworks on. Big boy's massive. So what I'm thinking is, since that's gonna be going this way, it's just gonna go this way and like keep on going until I'm pretty sure it's gonna end up in that place. And I don't necessarily... How's a good way to get there? Like I think I can back up back into here. What? Maybe train yard. Does the Ollie switchyard make it? Okay. Okay, where's reversal? To 100%. So, oh yeah, this is a lot faster. Shh. And yeah, so let's try to get... Oh no, I should have stayed in my seat. Why is this not... Where's the whistle? Get in! Mom's trying to... Okay, so... Where's the whistle? Does this one have a whistle? I don't think it does. I'm kind of scared that this one is going to crash it really badly. Oh. Scared? Okay. It is chasing. Oh, those things are really annoying. Oh, no, no, okay, good. Let's stay on here. Wait, what just... Where's the PRR? Where's the PRR? It must have uncoupled. It was probably going too fast. And it uncoupled. Let's see where that is, because that's weird. So it went this way. It shot through here. It turned this way. Went on this place. How's it already that far ahead? Oh, where did it go? How did it... Is this even there? I don't even know. Okay, let us get there. Did I take a wrong turn? So it's gonna go this way because it always takes that way. Normally. It's on the edge. Imagine falling off. Okay, this is actually strange. Well, it didn't... It wouldn't go in circles here. Where is it? I don't think... Wait, that's my other PRR S1. Teleport here. Is this it? Is this it? What? 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 What is happening? Why am I glitching? Like... Just teleport here. There it is. There it is. Home. Okay. I gotta somehow... This is it. This is it. This is it. I'm at the front because this train is speedy. Okay. Slide down into you. Okay, this is crazy. I was not expecting this to happen. How is it still going? How? Okay, let's turn. This isn't the same one. Or else it wouldn't be on the map. This is one that I released before, I think, off camera. Yeah. Yeah, I released this off camera. Because it was in the way. Yeah, this is weird. This went way ahead, and it went the opposite way as the other ones. Okay. Well, hopefully it doesn't crash into something. Well, okay, let's see if... Let's go up to the Arctic area. Cause that's... I think that's... Yeah, that's where I have a certain thing that shows you all the trains that I've gotten. Yeah, I think it's this place. Okay, now let's go. Custom menu. Yes, I want to take that away. Okay, load. The ultimate, I think it's the train. Yeah, I think it's this test location. I think it's this. Yes, 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 yeah, yes, yes, yes. Come on, spawn the rest. Yeah! Okay, so this is the ultimate. All those cool trains, you know? You have War Baby, Challenger. No, that's not Challenger. Big Boy Challenger, PRR T1, American Freedom, Daylight, and S1. That's like the ultimate. And then you also have a couple others that I gotta add to this and make a new ultimate, the ultimate 2. Yeah, I gotta redo this because there's a couple others that I have that are good too, other than just these ones, you know. Yeah, so it's kind of weird because War Baby has 1 light here, but then the American Freedom and Daylight have 2 lights. I think this was a cargo train and these were passenger. I don't know, for some reason. I mean, like, all of these ones have 1 light. Like, this one's... I really like the T1 and the P1. Just because they have those. And then, I mean, there's the Big Boy and the Challenger, which are cool. It's kind of a unique design how they do it, because, you know, you would think they would use those Steam things that are like, not these things, but those things, the normal Steam things in Stormworks. But the guy, he's smart enough to just have boilers and then use steam pistons. I don't know. Yeah, you can see the steam. Oh, steam pistons. The steam generators and steam pistons to do that. I think you can see it better in the PS1. No, in this one. I don't know which one it was. That yeah. See, you can see that you use steam pistons, or that you can use a steam turbine. So yeah. So that's it for today's video, and bye.